Yo, what you guys? It's Travis here today. We're gonna play a new game. It's made in 2016, but this is a game which is called Bathroom Simulator. It's a game where you go to the bathroom for an hour, 5 hours, 18,000 seconds, and 1 hour, 3,600 seconds. You guys, we're gonna be doing this for 1 hour. Okay. We're gonna be doing this for a couple of minutes. So yeah. I'll just get right to the video. Just get right to the game because this is going to be so much fun. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun because it's the most funnest game on the internet. So let's check it out. Let's go. Come with me and let's check it out this game. And you're in the game and this game is pretty true. I'm going to play for 1 minute. No, yeah, 1 minute. So if it hits 1 minute, and then we'll end the video. So let's wait. But I'm not gonna pause it because I'm just gonna wait for 1 hour. All right. So okay, hold on. I can't see. Hold on. Guys. Close that. There we go. Now let's get the game. Let's do it for 1 minute. This is gonna be a quick video. Let's do it for 1 minute and 25 seconds. Let's do that. So it's been a minute and yeah. Alright, so we're gonna end this video, guys, because that was really quick. So, catch you guys in the next video.